It's now time to test our base image build with the Hotfixes add-on image that we created. There's no additional changes to the ZCM scripting that need to be made because the scripts already account for if there is a Hotfixes add-on image, it will be placed onto the workstation during the imaging process, and also it will install the hotfixes using some custom scripts, and we'll talk about those a little bit later in our lesson. But for right now, what we want to do is just run this build and confirm that the hotfixes have installed. So we'll go to our test machine, power that machine on, click to bring focus into the VM, and then remember that you need to hold down Control, Alt, and click the space bar in order for that Control, Alt key to be effective on the VM. Once the Linux kernel begins to boot, you can release those keys. And we'll just wait for our Linux kernel to finish booting up here into our ENGL build process. Now we'll select the Restore menu and our base project. We'll go ahead and leave the name of the workstation at Win7 Test and click OK. We're getting our warning that all of the disk data will be deleted, and that's okay. We'll tab over and click Yes and start the build process. Now you'll see our Hotfixes add-on image imaging down to the workstation. That's being followed by our Z Toolkit, and finally the driver's add-on image. And you'll see once again that we begin by installing our hardware devices. And now you can see that we've begun installing our hotfixes. So now let's log in and confirm that those hotfixes have been installed. And as you can see, we have all of our security updates, etc., now installed on this workstation.